Did you know that you can perform one massage technique daily on your dog to eliminate pain and improve their mobility? And if I could show you this one simple canine massage technique that may reduce your dog's healthcare costs, get them off painkillers and increase their vitality for life, would you do it? Hi, I'm Sarah from Canine Balance, and what I'm about to share with you will have a massive impact on your dog's happiness and mobility. Now, I provide this one massage technique to all my face-to-face clients. It's fast, it's super easy, where these people and their dogs have not only seen progress, the results have proven time and time again that after 10 days of providing this massage technique to their dog, inflammation has significantly reduced, their dogs are moving better, being happier, and heck, some people have even said to me that their dog's eyes are softer. But more importantly, you are the one helping your dog feel this way. I want to share a story with you about Riley and Cindy. They came to see me on the 12th of March this year. Riley was in so much pain that he was pressing his back up against the wall to alleviate pain. And sometimes when his mum went to go and pat him, he would yell. He would present intermittent lameness on his right shoulder after walks, and he had the saddest face. Cindy was taking Riley to a massage therapist and an acupuncturist for over 6 months with no results, purely because of the fact that they didn't give him or them enough homework in between treatments. They ended up going to a veterinary specialist who had diagnosed him with intervertebral disc disease, and they also did a scope of the shoulder joint showing a little bit of fraying. They recommended a $6,000 surgery, and they said that the dog wouldn't improve without it. They came to me for a treatment, and I gave Cindy this one simple massage technique to perform religiously twice a day for 10 days on Riley, and the progress was profound. He wanted to be patted. He significantly reduced taking pain medication. He stopped lying up against the wall, and guess what? Riley was happier and he wanted to go for walks and he stopped moping around. Now that's one success story right there, because this simple massage technique works. It works. The technique is called roughing. How do you do it? With a nice floppy arm, no tension in it in the elbow, wrist or fingers, no itsy bitsy spiders up the dog's back. Place your hand into a C position and lightly rub from the rump of your dog all the way up to the top of the neck. Don't push into the dog, gently rough the coat up. So what does this do? Well, this increases stimulation, blood flow or circulation, and while we have increased blood flow, it brings new blood to the area and pushes out any toxins or buildup of inflammation. So it increases lymphatic drainage, which equals reducing pain. So the formula is increased circulation plus increased lymphatic drainage, which reduces pain. That's it. It's that simple. I'm inviting you to join me for a 12-day roughing massage challenge. This challenge will provide you with a daily motivational mindset from me, how to assess your dog's back quickly, how to perform this massage technique and master it, one live Q&A session, a Facebook community, a bonus of a dog pain guide, plus another bonus of a 5-step guide of how to bring your dog back from injury. But most of all, it's going to give you fast, easy results where you can see the progress of your dog's well-being and mobility, which this is priceless. Don't you want your dogs to be running around forever? I know I do. To join this challenge, click on the link below or personal message me with an email address so I can hook you up. It only takes 15 to 20 minutes per day for learning and mastering this one massage technique. There you have it. So why am I sharing this amazing challenge with you today? Because it works, it works, it works. And I would like you to get the same results that Cindy and Riley got. I want to help as many dogs as possible and make this accessible to you and put you in charge of your dog's health. Now, I'm not great with tech, so click on the link below or sign up by personal messaging me your email address so you can join this canine roughing massage challenge. To recap, performing this one simple roughing massage technique on your dog daily for 10 days in a row will eliminate pain and improve their mobility and vitality. Remember to rough up against the coat. The formula is increased circulation plus increased lymphatic drainage equals reducing pain. What are you waiting for? Let's do awesome things together for our dogs.